Hey YouTube and my Cree supporters, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, it's a continuation from my last video. So if you watched my last video, you will know the reason of this video. But if you haven't, please stop what you're doing right now. Stop what you're doing. Go to my page, click my last video, and watch that one before you proceed to this one. But for the ones who have, welcome back. This is my outfit doing the OOTD. If you don't know what that means outfit of the day. This is my outfit of the day. Cute, simple, all created by me. Creativity. I'm gonna show y'all in the mirror my flash might be on. But this is me. 1 second. So this is my outfit of the day. I haven't put on any accessories yet, but this is my outfit of the day. I will insert pics as well so you guys can see. But yeah, outfit created by me, head to toe. And I added in my little purse because I had it with me. It's my little purse. Got it with me. But the rest of my accessories I have to add in. Right now I'm finna go get our dinner out prepared because my husband just got off work. So wifely duties first. I always know that. If you see my last video, we have tacos because this literally was recorded right after that video ended. But I wanted to have it as another video so it wouldn't be long. So gonna get my husband food prepared, our food prepared, and then we'll get straight into the unboxing. I'll be my own sound effects, period. So stay tuned. We're gonna get into the unboxing very soon. We're back. We're finna get into the unboxing. This is not gonna be a long video, like I say. It's just a little quick little video in between my weekly videos since I didn't want to prolong that last video, like I say. So we're finna get into this video. Yeah, unboxing. So I got a few packages. Have my scissors. So this first one is, let's see. Like this gonna be surprise unboxing. This is gonna be a surprise unboxing for y'all. So I know typically people do hauls and unboxing, which I will be doing more hauls and stuff too. But I like to bring something different. So why not do a surprise unboxing? What's in the box? Ta-da! Something from T-Mobile. This is T-Mobile 5G home internet. I know it's been out for a couple years now, but it's still quite new. So yeah, I just got T-Mobile 5G Wi-Fi internet, home internet, and we gonna see how it is. Okay, so story behind that is because I have had Xfinity Wi-Fi for a few years now, a pretty good amount of years now. And recently, it's like the bill has got outrageous and I just couldn't take it no more. Just couldn't take it no more. So, Xfinity, if you come across this video, you see this video, just know.
So as soon as we find out who you are, trust you will be dealt with. Period.
And I'll be cracking myself up because why would Xfinity be watching my video? But just in case they is, they gonna find the reason why I'm returning their equipment and I'm no longer one of their loyal customers.
I am not with Metro
but
anymore.
I will be giving y'all an update how this T-Mobile internet service go, because it's very affordable. And yeah, I already have T-Mobile as my phone company, so we're gonna see. And I'll give y'all an update if y'all want one. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know if y'all want an update about that internet service, and I'll let y'all know. Okay, let's get into the next unboxing. Okay, this one is sitting on top. We have this yarn set. My address is blurred out, so you would not see anything. This yarn set, assorted color. I got this off Amazon because, like I say, I am a all around. I have my own clothing brand, but I work with sewing. Everything you could think of in this clothing field, I almost do. So I got this for a new project that I have coming up with my brand. Stay tuned on that, like I say on my channel, business channel. Okay, we're gonna get into this boxing. This box, since it's already open, because Amazon switched up me and my neighbor packages. So I had to open it and show her that it was my package and not hers. So these are candle wax things, because as if you are anyone who have like them wax warmers in your house. One second, my husband called me. Okay, we're back. My husband called me. Sorry about that. So, yeah, like I was saying about the candle, these are just additional wicks for your candles, because I have those wax warmers. I love those. But you know, when you're ready to change the scent, you still be having the wax. So I keep candle jars, and I done seen videos where you can turn your wax, you know, the wax from your wax warmers, and turn them to candles. But I had to get some wicks. So I bought some extra wicks off Amazon for that. This is some essential oil. If y'all can see it, this is some essential oil set, because I also love putting diffusers around my house, and I love the different scents. It will have your whole house smelling like, I'm telling you. Only people that love cleanliness will understand where I'm coming from. So if you cleansly, you will know if I'm saying it right. But this is a beautiful set. Like, this set is so beautiful with all the scents in it. Got droppers with it. It is so beautiful. And when you even open this up, the smell just hits you. Boom. It does. Okay, this is some vinyl, because as you guys know, I do shirts. So that's some HTV vinyl. My phone also finna die, so I have to move quick. A little bit quick. Yeah. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is, and you know why this is called a surprise unboxing? Because you know when you order stuff offline and you pray that it look like what you seen online or what it is. So it's always a surprise for me too. So this is a beautiful red scarf. You know, as y'all can see, I love my head wrap. So this is a beautiful red scarf. So to all my sisters who use their head wraps, let me know, because I'm definitely a head wrap girl, and I have a lot of different colors. So if you're looking for some head wraps, let me know. I love the scarf. I love the scarf that way, by the way. So I'm giving reviews, and I'm giving y'all an unboxing. And I love this scarf, by the way. Okay. Let's see. I like to put the stuff back in its package. Let's see what else we have. I think this is another scarf. Let's see. They double packaged it, so let's see. Oh, this is a pretty white one. And this is a different style. This is like a different kind of texture. You see how we got like the lines across it, the rigid lines. Oh, pretty. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. I like it. I love it.
Well, did you like it?
No. I loved it.
And I thought it was smaller, but it's very big, which I love because, you know, if you're going to wrap your hair, it have to be big. So I already have on the white one, but you can never have too much white since it could get very, you know, destroyed quickly. So I'm going to put this up. Put this one up. Just throw it in here. Time ticking. And I don't want my phone to die in between because I'm using my phone as my camera for now. Like I told you guys, if you ever watched my first videos, we're trying to build to that. As long as you guys keep supporting me. And matter of fact,
You know what to do. Sit down in a thinking chair and think.
take a minute, take a second, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, hit that bell notification button as well, post notification bell, so you guys can be notified every time I'm dropping. Because I'm doing weekly drops, but I might do pop-up drops for y'all. I might do pop-up drops. I hope all this rattling ain't getting into the mic, but we'll see. This is some old vinyl. This is actually some glitter vinyl. I never used this company like that before. So that's always a surprise because you will hope that it is what you need for your orders. Beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. This is beautiful. I needed it for to have glitter white. I don't know if you guys can see. It's supposed to be glitter white. Because that last order that I did on my channel, they have placed a bonus order to that. They had came back basically being return customers, and they want more. So they love the way I did those shirts. If you haven't already seen that video, please go watch it. Thank you. I'll leave the link in the description box, or I'll leave the link below right here on the screen, so you guys can go check out that video as well. Because like I say, I am an entrepreneur. So I have another bonus clothes order to do to that order. And last but not least, what's in here? Sorry for all that noise, like I say. Let's see what this could be. What's this? And I also have more orders coming in the mail as well. Don't know if they're gonna finish coming today or tomorrow, but I'm gonna end this video out here. It was just a little quick unboxing for y'all, surprise unboxing for me and y'all.
God put this here for me and you. Take advantage, man. Take advantage.
So let's get into this last box. Oh, we got some goodies. My goodies. We ain't gonna sing together, but y'all know the song. She said my goodies, but not these type of goodies. We're talking about food here, which I love. See, double good. If you know about this brand of popcorn, this brand is so good. I believe it's like a new company that's out, and they do a lot of like charity, I guess. People use it as a donation type of charity company. So yeah, my little brother, he's graduating from 8th grade. My youngest sibling, my last sibling, who is the youngest, he's graduating out of 8th grade. they had a little charity for their graduation trip. I guess they're going to Atlanta, trying to raise money to go to Atlanta. So I think that's a good little cause. So I supported him. Bought some of this popcorn. And if you know this popcorn, it's for charity, so it's expensive. But it's expensive. But I'm telling you.
But I am telling you right now.
This company popcorn is so delicious, and I'm a popcorn fiend. I don't know if I mentioned that in my bizarre fun fact to you guys, but I'm a popcorn fiend, and that popcorn is delicious. But that is all of my unsurprising unboxing. If you guys keep supporting me, I'll do more and more of these different kind of videos, because I like to bring different content. You know, like I say, it's in the same range as people probably drop similar videos, but I'm trying to switch it up. So if you guys love this video, please, please, please like, comment, give me some feedback. What y'all want to see, what y'all like about my videos. Are you enjoying my channel? Let me know. And if you haven't seen any of my past videos, if you're new to my channel, please go to my channel and go watch them. Tune in. But thank you guys so much, and I'll leave my socials also that you guys can follow me and see different content on my pages. And thank y'all for the support as always. I pray y'all have a good day. Bye.
Y'all come back now, you hear?